Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter D from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a line down on the left side. Then from the top, let's curve it over, and the same at the bottom. And now add a large curve out to the right to close off the shape of the D. Next, let's add the eyes. Let's start by drawing a rounded rectangle shape inside here. Now inside, let's add a curve across the bottom. Then above it on the right, let's draw a rectangle. And then color it in black. Now let's add the shape of the other eye. Let's start on the top left and draw a curve up and out. And then curve it down and back in. Next, let's erase that overlapping line inside. And again, let's add a curve across the bottom. And then a rounded square shape. And color this one in black as well. Next, underneath this eye, let's draw an angle down and out, and then back in under the right eye. And again, let's erase the overlapping line inside. Next, let's add the teeth below. Let's start with an angled line down, angle it back up and in, and back up to the eye. And erase any overlapping lines inside. And lastly, let's add some angled lines inside for the teeth. And that's it for the letter D. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!